Hi there, this is RMK Outdoors, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and kind of overview or first impressions of the SALOMON Quest 4D3 GTX. These are one of Salomon's most popular kind of heavier duty hiking boots, and I've been wanting to get my hands on a pair for a long time. I've seen the popularity of these guys online is pretty insane, and I think probably for good reason. So I will be doing a full written review on these after I use them a bit. I'll probably be hiking some 14ers this summer in Colorado with them, and then I will also be doing a full video review follow-up as well. This is just kind of a first impressions and unboxing. Right off the bat, I can tell that I'm probably gonna fall in love with these guys. After holding them a little bit, you can tell they are a little bit heavier and a little bit more sturdy hiking boot. I'm not necessarily used to this kind of boot. Typically I use kind of a lighter weight hiker, but I wanted something a little bit more stable in both ankle support and stability down on the sole, and I think these will fit the bill perfectly, along with wanting to get out a good review. But right off the bat, Salomon's, the first thing that always catches my eye is the sole. I think the sole's super important on a good hiking boot. You have Salomon's Contra Grip outsole, which is one of their most aggressive outsoles with the lug pattern. Feels super grippy. And then you have the 4D chassis here, which Salomon has, that runs along the outsole and gives it that rigidity and dependability, which on those longer hikes, like the 10 to 15 mile hikes, really helps out. So that's good to have. You've got your rubber toe cap on the front here. I like to see that. I just did Mount Bierstadt a couple weeks ago, and on my way down I was kicking every single rock, it seemed like. So thankfully I did have some hikers with a good rubber toe, so I like to see that. You have a typical lacing system, Salomon's Sense Fit technology, which is just these gaps here between the leather and some nylon. Helps kind of cradle your foot along with their lacing system. Really nice heavy duty eyelets, still being light. I don't know what material that is, but you have your lockdown. So this part of the boot locks with this eyelet, and then you can tighten the ankle separately, which is a pretty cool little feature there. You've got your Gore-Tex logo here. These are fully Gore-Tex lined, which will give them waterproofing. I've never had a problem with Gore-Tex. I think it's awesome stuff, so excited to try that out. You have a gusseted tongue, so the waterproofing will stay to right here on the boot. Keep your feet dry. I have seen people comment that the Gore-Tex has kind of lost waterproofing over the years, specifically on this boot, so I'm not sure. We'll have to kind of test that and see, but I've never had a problem with Gore-Tex. You have a rubber kind of heel cap here to give you more stability on the back. That's the 4D, looks like kind of a plate back here. So like I said, I've never used this kind of heavy duty of a hiking boot, but I have seen people say it's absolutely amazing, so I'm really excited to get them dirty and try them out. They aren't that heavy. I believe they're 640 grams, which I have the Salomon Ultras, which I did Mount Bierstadt in, and those were like 460, so it's not that much heavier, especially when, you know, they're on your feet. A couple extra 100 grams isn't a big deal with the added protection that these guys give. So I'm very excited to put these on, try them out. Be on the lookout for the follow-up review. I'm gonna be planning on doing a lot more gear reviews this summer. I've got some spare time, and so if you're interested in the content I'm putting out and you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. That really helps me out. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I think we'll get there someday. I just need to be a little bit more consistent with my posting, which I'm planning on doing. So yeah, that was a quick overview, unboxing and first impressions of the Salomon Quest 4D3 GTX. Go ahead and be on the lookout for anything else I post, and stay tuned. Thank you.